Hello students, today we will learn how to round off a given number. Now I have taken the first example. The number is 5.738. So now if I ask you round off this number to as a whole number. So the whole part there is 5. When I ask you to round off to the whole, that is to the ones place, then you need to see just the next thing. The next digit is 7. So when you see the next place is contains 5 or more, you need to change the particular place value, increase it by 1. So now, as after 5 there is 7, so I have to increase 5 by 1, so it is 6, and the remaining all numbers will become 0. Actually, it becomes 6 now. So when you round off this number, this given decimal number as a whole number, approximate the number or estimate the number, it will be as 6. Okay. For this example, it is as 6. Let's come to the next example. Now this is the next example. In example 2, I can see the number is 1238.735. So now suppose if I ask you that round off this number to the nearest hundredths place. So the hundredths place is here. So I can see that the digit after the hundredths place, that is 5. So as I have told you, if it is 5 or more, I need to increase the number by 1. So the number will be increased by 1, the remaining numbers will be unchanged, and the number after this will become 0. So it is now, right now it is 1238.740, or you can say it's 1238.74. Now on this given value, it is given 79.73 meter. If I ask you to round off this or estimate the value to the nearest meters, what will be the answer? Nearest meter means it should be converted as a whole meter. So after the whole part, in the tens place, what we can see, there is 7. So it is more than 5. So it increase the value by 1. So it will become 80. So the answer is 80 meter. Okay. Now in this given number, if I say round off each of this number to their greatest places, then do the operation. So we need to see the greatest place of all the given numbers. So in the first number, the number is 235, and the greatest place is actually the hundredths place. So after the hundredths place, there is 3. So we don't need to make any changes. So 2 will become 2, but all the remaining values will become 0 now. All the remaining digits will be 0, so it's rounded up to 200. The next number was 173, so after 1 there is 7, you can see, so it's more than 5. So it will increase 1 by 1, so it is 1 increased by 1, that became 2 now. So 2 remaining all will become 0. The third number is 91, and the greatest place is now at tens place. So after that we can see there is 1. 1 is lesser than 5. So what we will do? There is no change, so it is becoming 90 now. And once all the rounding off are done, as per the direction they told, first estimate the number to their greatest place and then do the operation. So now we can do the operation. It's 200 plus 200 is 400. 400 minus 90 is 310 is our final answer. Okay. I hope you have understood all of this example. I'll coming back with this kind of short videos. So thanks for all of your supports, and keep connected with us. Keep in touch with Let's Mathemagic by subscribing our channel to see more such contents. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and keep in touch with Let's Mathemagic. See you soon in our next video.